Three-dimensional database is made up of three components, one of them being presentations. In the ETAP project, there's only one presentation called OLV1, or One-Line View. Click on the New Presentation button and OLV2 will be created. We now have two identical one-line diagrams. The views are synchronized, so any changes made on one will reflect on the other. This also holds true for connectivity, deletion, etc. Presentations allow for variations in display. For example, you can change the symbol of one to IEC and the presentation in the other remains in ANSI. In the display, you can set up individual views for each option. By doing this, you will be able to set up views for a load flow or short circuit purposes. If we were to insert protective devices on our one line, it will appear on the other view, but will allow us to hide them. Hence, the presentation on the left can be used for short circuit and relay protection, and the one on the right for load flow. You can always right-click on the one-line diagram to hide and unhide protective devices. It is also possible to rearrange the one line in a view while the layout remains as is in another view. You can have different sizes and color schemes. You can also mark up one view and the other will be unaffected. It also allows for ground grids to be put on one presentation without the other. It also allows you to change the color schemes for back annotation. As we mentioned before, multiple presentations allows you to run different analysis on each view and set the results separately. For example, in one view, the voltage is shown in kVs versus percents in the other. The second piece is configurations. These are used to set up switching device status. In our system, we only have one configuration, normal. If we click on the Configuration Manager button, we can copy it to a different configuration, such as one source only. Now, we have two configurations in our list. Now let's define their statuses. From the Configuration Manager, you can change the status of any breaker. You can also show the differences between them or apply unique configurations to a single one-line diagram. Now, let's run load flow again and compare notes side by side. For comparison,